In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Airtable. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign into your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Sign Documents. Find the sign document you want to connect with Airtable and click Edit. In the document editor, click the Settings tab, then select Integrations from the left-hand menu. Use the search bar to find Airtable, then select the Airtable integration. Click Authenticate and sign into your Airtable account. If prompted, enter your Airtable API key or authorize the connection to allow Jotform access. Once connected, choose the Airtable base where you want to store your data, then select the table that will receive your Jotform Sign submissions. Next, map your Jotform Sign fields to the corresponding Airtable columns. For example, match fields such as name, email, or document status to the appropriate columns in your Airtable table. After you've finished mapping the fields, click Save, then click Finish Setup to complete the integration. From now on, every completed Jotform Sign submission will automatically sync with your selected Airtable table. That's how to integrate Jotform Sign with Airtable. Thanks for watching.